In this video, I will show you how to play Spirit Wars on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Spirit Wars drops you into the World Tree of Area, which is a land gnawed by corruption and crawling with nightmares. You're the summoned saviour, pulling together a squad of eccentric guardians who keep fighting even when you are flying. Now, although this is an Android game, you can actually go beyond your mobile screen and play it bigger and better on your PC or Mac using something called the Bluestacks app player. Now, Bluestacks is an Android emulator, so it allows you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, what you're going to want to do is, if you look in the video description below this video, you're going to find a link to click. When you click that link, you'll be taken to the website where you can go ahead, click the button here to play Spirit Wars on PC, and what that's going to do is download the Bluestacks installer onto your PC. Once the installer is downloaded, give that a click and run through the steps to install Bluestacks on your PC. So here we are, as you can see, back on my desktop, and what you're going to want to do at this point is click the blue launch button. By doing that, that's going to go ahead and open up Bluestacks and take you directly to the Spirit Wars installation page. So at this point, all you need to do is click the install from Google Play button, and once you've done that, it's going to take you to the game page. At this point, just go ahead and click the blue install button, and as you can see, this is going to start downloading and installing Spirit Wars on Bluestacks, so you can actually play this on your PC with Bluestacks. Just while that is downloading, I just want to run through some things on why I personally use Bluestacks and why you should consider using Bluestacks as well to play Android games on your PC. Now, for myself, the first reason I use Bluestacks is to play using a keyboard and mouse. I really do not get on with touchscreens, so playing Android games through Bluestacks allows me to use a keyboard and mouse, and you can even use gamepads as well. There is gamepad support for a number of games. The controls are already pre-mapped, good to go, but you have got the option to customize them if you want to for your own personal preferences. Now, there is a cool multi-instance feature which allows you to play multiple games simultaneously, and a built-in eco mode to manage this, which optimizes your PC usage when running multiple instances. One feature that's really cool is the built-in macro feature, which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. So you've got some games where you have to sort of drag and drop things. Instead of doing that, you can just simply press a key on your keyboard, assign a certain key, and that's going to complete the action for you. Now, one thing I really love, which is really cool about Bluestacks, is the built-in real-time translation feature, which allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there's games you've been wanting to play, but they're only exclusive to certain countries, and of course you're not able to play them due to language barriers, well, with Bluestacks you can now do this because Bluestacks is going to automatically translate the game into your local language. Naturally, playing on a PC is going to give you a higher FPS, so by enabling higher frame rates, you're going to get a much smoother gameplay experience, and of course you can play all your favourite Android games in full HD. So that's a couple of reasons why I personally love Bluestacks, but as you can see, there's a number of really cool features of Bluestacks, and this is why we consider using Bluestacks to play Android games. So coming back now to Bluestacks, and as you can see, Spirit Wars has finished installing, so what we're going to do is click play now to launch a game, just so I can show you guys what it's like and things like that. So we're just going to wait for this to load through. So let's go ahead and agree to the terms and things like that. Just going to quickly download the update as well. Then we're going to jump into the game itself. So I just wanted to do this really to show you guys how Bluestacks plays, and so you can get a feel for the emulator and things like that. So let's agree to the privacy policy and log in with our account as well, our Google account. Of course, one thing that's really cool is you do sign in with your account as well. So if you go off your PC and onto your mobile device, you're not going to lose any of your progress because it's going to be saved across your devices. So here we are in game, and as you can see straight away that the animation is very smooth. There's no sort of lag or anything. It actually runs really well. So we're going to click to start the game. Just go ahead and jump in, and here we are in game. So let's go ahead and just, as you can see, everything is being controlled as mentioned with my mouse. It's not touchscreen, so yeah, we're just going to go through, and again the in-game animations and everything itself is really good. It's very smooth, very fast, it's very sleek, and it's just a really good experience really just playing on a PC. So that is how to play Spirit Wars on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.